I am Arindam Dasgupta, co-founder and CEO of Tamul Plates Marketing Private Limited. If you see across India, the eastern region is very rich in natural resources. But compared to western India and southern India, these areas I would say are 15 to 20 years behind in terms of development. This whole activity started with the focus of generating employment in the region. So our whole focus was thus to create these small production units at the village itself. Tamul helps rural producers set up small production facilities producing Arecanut leaf plates. We provide them training, financial support, and then we sell the machinery to them. And we provide 100% buyback guarantee for the plates they produce, and then we market it across India and internationally. These are completely natural biodegradable plates. Only heat and water is used to make these plates. After using it, it will turn into soil in a span of 60 days. Across India, there is a lot of investments happening in IT, e-commerce, but for manufacturing based activities which are actually creating employment, it's difficult because the returns are not as fast. But in the last 2 years, there has been validation of various assets. We have got some very prestigious awards, but then we reached a phase where we needed capital to grow more. The Upaya and Ranta investment was very critical. It's a validation that we are moving in the right direction. Right now, we are in a momentum phase. Our last year's financial performance has been good. There is a lot of buzz in the region towards this activity. Upaya is helping us develop a better marketing strategy. In terms of the social performance management, we knew that we are doing a lot of social good, but we never measured it into a technical manner. Upaya will actually help us measure our social performance more effectively and showcase it to the world in a better manner. Now we are regularly on a monthly basis preparing our cash flows. We are tracking where our expenses are going more, where we can earn more profits, where we can reduce our costs. Tamul Plates has entered into a very exciting phase. We are increasing our market, our productions are increasing, we are getting into newer, more efficient technologies. If we are able to achieve the plan that we have laid for ourselves in the next 2 to 3 years, then we would be able to say confidently that Tamul Plates is a successful story.
মোৰ নাম সুবন্তি দাস 2008 পৰা মই কাম কৰি আছো মই ঠকনা ধুম আৰু ঠকনা মেলি দিওঁ পেকিং কৰো পইচাখিনি আৰু পালি খৰচ হয় আৰু ঘৰত খাতে যায় ভাল লৰা পঢ়া লৰাটোকো দিবা লাগিল আৰু নিজেও কানি কাপোৰ ল'বা লাগিল কিবা এটা হেৰি কৰি খৰচ কৰিলো পাকো ভাই গেলো তাতো লাগিল মোক পইচা অন্যটো আৰু বিক্ৰী কৰবাৰ নাই কিনবাৰ নাই কোৱাৰ পৰা পাম এনেকৈ কাম কৰি আৰু চলি আছো আৰু